So, the Google Pixel 10 series is expected to launch in the latter half of 2025, but leaks have already offered a glimpse into what Google might introduce. According to reports, the lineup will feature 4 models: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold, mirroring the structure of the Pixel 9 series. A notable change for the Pixel 10 series could be the adoption of a new modem. Android Authority reports that Google may replace Samsung's Exynos modems with MediaTek's T900 modem. Based on MediaTek's M85 technology and 3GPP Release 17 5G standards, the T900 is expected to deliver superior 5G connectivity, faster speeds, and improved reliability. This shift is significant as Pixel devices have faced persistent complaints about weak signal strength, overheating, and battery drain issues often linked to Exynos modems. Although Google reportedly considered Qualcomm's Snapdragon X75 modem, the company appears to have opted for MediaTek's solution, though the reasons remain unclear. Powering the Pixel 10 series will likely be Google's Tensor G5 chipset, which has already appeared in Geekbench leaks. The Tensor G5 features an octa-core configuration, including a 3.4 GHz prime core, 5 performance cores at 2.86 GHz, and 2 efficiency cores at 2.44 GHz. Early tests also show the chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM, while Pro variants may offer up to 16 GB configurations, aligning with the Pixel 9 Pro series. The Geekbench results indicate that the Tensor G5 is currently running on Android 15. However, the Pixel 10 series is expected to debut with Android 16, following Google's tradition of launching devices with the latest Android version. This new hardware setup could address long-standing user concerns while offering a significant performance boost. The adoption of MediaTek's modem may improve network reliability, while the Tensor G5 chipset is likely to enhance multitasking and overall efficiency. As rumors continue to circulate, the Pixel 10 series promises to bring meaningful upgrades in connectivity, processing power, and software features. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.